Hello, welcome back to Derm School. Today, we will be looking at a couple of common drug reactions. And these are exanthematous drug reactions, as well as fixed drug eruption, or FDE. The first topic is exanthematous drug reactions. And this is an adverse hypersensitivity reaction to an ingested or parenterally administered drug. It mimics a viral exanthem, and it is the most common cutaneous drug reaction. There is usually low systemic involvement, and the patients complain of pruritus. They may also have fever and chills. This is a type of delayed type hypersensitivity. It can occur up to 3 weeks after the new drug has started. Usually the peak is at day 9. In patients who are previously sensitized, it can occur within 2 to 3 days after starting the medication. These are the common drugs involved. For high probability, penicillin, carbamazepine, allopurinol, and gold. For medium probability, sulfonamides, NSAIDs, hydantoin derivatives, isoniazid, chloramphenicol, erythromycin, and streptomycin. Low probability for barbiturates, benzodiazepines, phenothiazines, as well as tetracycline. In terms of clinical manifestations, patients develop macules and papules which then become confluent. They can also have purpura on the legs. The lesions are usually symmetric, especially on the trunk and extremities. However, in children, they can present on the face and the extremities, and the patients may have edentums on the buccal mucosa. Treatment is to stop causative drugs, oral antihistamines, corticosteroids, either potent topical, oral, or intravenous as indicated. In terms of prevention, you need to educate the patient which drug and to avoid those in the same class, as well as a medic alert bracelet or a drug allergy card. Next, we move on to fixed drug eruption, FDE. So in terms of what happens in FDE, they ingest a drug and then you develop a solitary or multiple erythematous patch or plaque. And this occurs repeatedly at the same site, which is why it's called fixed, within hours of rechallenge. It can be asymptomatic, pruritic, painful, or burning. In terms of skin lesions, the patients develop sharply demarcated macules, which are round and oval. First, they're erythematous, becoming dusky red and later violaceous, and may evolve to become bullae or erosions. With healing, patients often develop post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, which is dark brown with some violet hues. Lesions are usually single or can also be multiple, especially in generalized fixed drug eruption, which is a skin emergency. And any site can be involved, including the genitals, which is quite frequent, perioral, periorbital, oropharynx, as well as the conjunctiva. So this is a picture of a FDE. Treatment of FDE, stop the drug. In non-eroded lesions, apply potent topical steroid ointments. In eroded lesions, you can use antimicrobial ointments. If they are widespread or painful mucosal lesions, patients may require oral prednisolone, which is tapered over a couple of weeks. So take-home message. For delayed type hypersensitivity, you need to take a drug history up to 8 weeks prior to the rash, identify and withdraw the offending drug, and always remember to educate your patient for prevention. And that's all for today. Thank you very much. See you again.